First week of trading in 2021 is behind us, and this week penny stocks were just hot. Let me know down in the comments if you caught any good runners. I'm excited to see if you finished the week green. And this brings us to this video. I have decided that what better way to start a new year than to challenge myself in a cool and fun way by growing this tiny $782 account to $10,000 by the end of the year. Do you think we can do it? I'm up to the challenge. So, if you want to follow and be a part of this journey, please subscribe to the channel down below and like this video. It helps a lot. So let's dive into it. We can see that I started on January 3rd with only $782, and in the first week we have grown it by 12.1% to $877. Now, if you look at the stocks that I'm currently holding, we can see that I'm holding only 2 stocks. We will dive into it in just a few seconds. I'm holding 18 stocks of Workhorse with purchase price of $25.53. Since the start of the year, this stock was just on a massive rise. On January 4th, they reported that they received a purchase order valued between 400 and 500 million for their delivery trucks, electric delivery trucks. Now, I was speculating in December that they would put out some kind of purchase order or other news before the end of the year. Now, I was wrong, but I had to wait only till the first trading day of 2021 to receive the news, and it propelled the stock higher. It went from $20 all the way to $28 before correcting about 7% on Friday. I think this was due to profits taking and being Friday and all. And I think that this week we are going to see the retest of $31. Now, how I want to play it is I want to be looking at that resistance level of $31. It is a triple top and has shown massive resistance last year. But last year, the only thing they had going for themselves was the USPS order, which we are still waiting for, if they are going to get it or not. But now they have shown that they can get really big orders also from other customers. So I will be waiting and seeing if they can break through that $31 level. If they can break it, they can go to $40 or even $50. And if they cannot break it, I'm going to be wanting to sell it around that level. So this week I'm looking if we can retest $31. If it breaks through, I'm going to hold and see what happens at the $40 mark. If it doesn't break, I'm going to be selling it around the $30 mark. Please let me know down in the comments if I should do weekly updates on this challenge, or if I should do an update every time I sell or buy a stock. This will help me decide what would be best for you. So, up to the next stock. It's ticker THBR. It's a spec that is merging with Indie Semiconductors. You can watch the due diligence and stock review here. Semiconductors are going to be hot this year. Just last week, over five major automobile makers reported they are facing semiconductor shortages, and they had to stop working at some factories, or they had to scale down production, greatly impacting the number of cars they're able to produce. That means that money is going to start pouring into these semiconductor companies, and in this semiconductor is very good company. It already has orders, it already has sales. They got more than 2 billion in backlog and another 2.5 billion in negotiation. Now, if all these automobile makers are facing shortages, we can expect that those negotiations are going to conclude shortly with positive result, meaning this stock will propel. Now, in the video, I expected this stock to see prices around $20 to $30 based on their competitors. But with this new information coming to light that there are such massive shortages in the industry, I'm thinking it can reach easily $50. On Friday, we saw the end of consolidation around $12.50, and the next leg up. It went to $13.30, and it continued its rise in the after hours, and I'm thinking that tomorrow on Monday this rise will only continue, and we can see potentially this week $20 before it continues to rise up. Now the first milestone that we want to reach is $2,000, because that enables us margin, meaning that we won't have to wait for 2 days for the money to settle, and it will allow us faster trades. Now, I don't plan to day trade in this account, so 3 day trades per week is plenty. I'm interested more that it allows me to sell and buy a stock on the same day, so that we don't have to wait 2 days, because waiting 2 days is very long. And I hope that this challenge shows all of you that are only starting small and such that it is possible to grow from small positions to big accounts, and no matter how small you start, the power of compounded interest it's just amazing. For example, I crunched the numbers a little, and I found out that we only needed to do about 35% gain each month to reach the goal of $10,000 by the end of the year. Now, I know that a lot of day trading challenges did this even sooner, but it's not about going fast. It's about going slow and steady. So give me a thumbs up if you think we can reach $1,000 in the next week, and please leave me a comment below how you want to receive updates. Do you want to see updates weekly, or do you want to see updates every time I sell or buy a stock? Bye!